Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Freelancer for passive income, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your skills and expertise that can be monetized. Research popular freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Create an account on the platform that best suits your skills. Complete your profile with a professional photo and a detailed bio. Highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant projects you've completed. Set a competitive yet realistic rate for your services. Explore the platform's project listings to understand market demand. Start by bidding on smaller projects to build your portfolio and gain reviews. Deliver high-quality work to ensure positive feedback from clients. Utilize upselling techniques to offer additional services. Engage in networking through social media and professional groups. Consider creating a personal website to showcase your portfolio. Monitor trends in your niche to adapt your service. Create passive income streams by offering digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Leverage automation tools to handle repetitive tasks or client communication. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your strategies as necessary. Stay committed and patient as building a freelance career can take time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.